Hey, how you doing? This is JJ from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Clearwater Beach, Florida. Today I am getting this 1913 Model 64 Stanley Steamer Roadster ready for a car show. And the owner, I've got my headlamp on just to try and get a little more lighting on here. I know it's not going to be great. But this car has been sitting. It is in pristine condition, and really, I'll try and get a little angle here. If you can see, it's really just got some dust. It's been touched. It's got a few fingerprints on it. Some kids, I guess, of the owner were in here, and they got just a few handprints on it. I suggested that he get some cards made up. Not that it would probably stop the kids. But anyway, just a beautiful vehicle. I'll take you outside here. Give you a front view. Really, really beautiful, beautiful car. Like I said, there's no dirt, there's no real problems with this. I'm just going to go all over this today. I've got a pump sprayer with ONR. I'm just going to do it about a quarter of the car at a time. I'll shoot it down with the ONR, and then I've got my Minx microfiber. See all the tanks for the steam. And just give it a nice wipe down, take the dust off the seats. Not going to any real extreme conditions with this car today. Just give you the full walk around, and I'm going to blow off the canvas top and stuff. So anyway, this is just a really, really cool vehicle. I love working on these collector cars, and just wanted to bring you in with me and show you what I'm working on today. And if you have any questions, comments, give me a thumbs up. Share if you know somebody who's into especially these classic cars. And until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Thank you.